I was in my local Rockler store the other day and I came across this new clamp. And I thought I'd show it to you. Let me bring you in closer. So they call it the power jaw clamp. It says that it delivers up to 300 pounds of force. And they show a picture of its use. And on the back, it says it has a 2-inch diameter knob. This opens up to 2 inches. I measured it. Has pads for, keeping the clamp in place. Has a 3-inch throat depth. And, obviously it's good for putting two pieces of wood together. How it works is it has this cone-shaped handle. So as you turn this in on these jaws, this type, and obviously you can put two pieces of wood together. The packaging shows it being used with a stop, or if you have to clamp something down to run over a bit or a saw or something like that. So it's quite unique. I don't know how often you would use it in lieu of an F-style clamp, but it is different, and I thought I'd pick one up and play with it and see how it works. And it puts a lot of force. That 300 pounds of force is, it's a lot. What this thing also does is it has this screw, so you can take one of these Rockler, either this one or this one, whichever one. They may have other ones too. I don't know. These are the only two I have. And you can screw this into it. And then you can put it into one of these bench cookies. If you need a standoff, you could use that one, or you could use one of the bigger ones, something like that. So it's pretty useful. Of course, if you're going to use them this way, you'd probably want more than one. What I've also found is something different. Hold on one second. Another way I've found to use this is to clamp it to a table, and then you can stand up a piece of wood. Maybe when you're assembling, it'll help to hold it in place as you do your joints and stuff. So it looks like it'd be a pretty handy clamp. And it was, I think, $9.99 or $9.95. So as we move into the new year, for me, it's always a time of reflection. Have I done the right things? What could I do better? I started this channel a long time ago when I was doing building related things as a way of marketing my business. And then after being retired for a number of years and woodworking, I transformed the channel into a woodworking DIY type channel. This was back in September. And I just really want to thank you guys for supporting me. I never intended to make videos to make money. My thing is just to pass on what I've learned over the years that might help somebody else coming up, and just kind of communicate with you and tell you what I'm doing. And these videos take, even my videos that they're not really highly polished, they take a while, especially when you're new at it. I mean, a short video, by the time you record, edit, upload, and all that, could be a day. And there have been times where I seriously considered, am I really spending my time wisely? You know, when you don't get the views that you think you should be getting, and you question whether you're reaching people. And there were a few times that I wouldn't say I wanted to give up, but I just thought, maybe I shouldn't be doing this. And just in those moments, there were several of you that would make just unbelievably nice comments, encouraging comments and stuff like that. And that's really what has kept me going. So thank you so much. As we go into the new year, I'm going to continue to make videos and show you kind of what I'm doing, and help you if you have questions or whatever, and we'll do it together. So again, I just wanted to thank you, appreciate your encouragement, and I look forward to the new year, and I hope you do as well. Have a safe New Year's Eve.